Hi everyone, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I'm so glad to have you back in today's recipe. I'm gonna be showing you how to make taquitos. Taquitos are known by other names such as rolled tacos or flautas. If you want to see how I make this, please stick around and watch the video to the end. So for this recipe, you're going to need 2 large chicken breasts. I'm not even sure why I added the extra parts to this, but just feel free to use chicken or beef. So bring your chicken breast to a large pot and begin to season with 2 minced garlic cloves, a 1/4 cup of sliced onion, 1½ teaspoon of chicken bouillon seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon each of black pepper, oregano, and chili powder. You can also add in 2 bay leaves and top it up with enough water to cook the chicken until all done. It's time to place the pot on the stove top and place the lid over and cook this for about 30 to 40 minutes. So while the chicken is boiling, you can go ahead and prepare the rest of the ingredients. To another smaller pot, you can add in 5 large tomatoes, 2 jalapeno pepper, add some water to the pot, cover and bring to a boil for 20 minutes or until the tomatoes and the peppers are softened. And once you notice the skin of the tomatoes peeling off by itself, you can transfer the tomatoes from the boiling water and cool it down for just 5 minutes, then transfer to your blender. Add some onion, garlic, cumin, oregano, a pinch of salt, and a little bit of chicken bouillon seasoning, and just a 1/4 cup of the tomato water. Blend for just a minute or so until you have a really nice puree. You can pour the sauce into a medium bowl, add some chopped cilantro, and stir. Don't hesitate to test for salt and other seasoning, then adjust to your own desire. And now that's your salsa, you can set it aside. At this point, your chicken is ready. You can pull off the skin and shred the chicken with a fork until you have some nice chunks. Alright, so this is what we have. You can keep this aside for now. In a medium-sized pan, add in 1½ tablespoon of cooking oil. Go in with ½ cup of chopped onion. Saute the onion on medium heat for 3 minutes until fragrant. Once the onion is fragrant, you can go in with 3 diced tomatoes. Stir to incorporate with the onions and then go ahead and season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And for an extra flavor, I just added a pinch of chicken bouillon seasoning. Now bring in the shredded chicken and stir to combine as well. This is indeed a really delicious sauce, and your chicken will have the chance to absorb all the wonderful flavors. And so because this appears a little bit dried, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add in 3 tablespoons of the chicken broth and stir and cook for just a minute. Then transfer this from the stove top and cover and keep warm. This time around, you're going to warm your corn tortillas. Warming the corn tortillas really helps them to roll easily without tearing apart. Place the corn tortilla in the warm pan and just cook for 30 seconds on the opposite side, then flip over to the other side and warm it up for another 30 seconds. On the corn tortilla, place about 2 tablespoons of the chicken filling and even it out with a spoon. Also scoop about 1 tablespoon of your favorite shredded cheese on top. For the cheese, you can use jack or sharp cheddar. And once you're done adding your filling, simply roll this up tightly and place seam side down on your baking sheet. And here they are, we are done. All you just need to do is to spray some cooking oil over. You can now go ahead and bake your taquitos in a preheated oven at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are crispy brown. And they are ready. They look really crispy. So it's time to serve these. So I'm going to be serving these with some shredded lettuce, tomatoes, sour cream, and lastly some cottage cheese. You can also enjoy this with freshly made guacamole. And this was how to make really delicious and mouth-watering taquitos at home. I hope you loved this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you are just tuning in to Onyx Food Hill for the first time, you're welcome. And I hope you click the bell icon so you don't miss any video. Until next time guys, I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.